Let me start our lecture. Last time we have discussed exercise 5.3 question number 1. According to short syllabus, we have to solve question number 3. Exercise 5.3. Question 3 is if u is equal to n mean natural numbers, set of natural numbers start from 1 to 3 up to infinity. Then verify De Morgan's law. This is De Morgan law. By using A is equal to empty set, A equals to empty set, and B equals to prime numbers 2, 3, 5, so on up to infinity. So let me start our question. Okay. U equals to n, A equals to empty set, B is equal to prime number 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. This is empty set or pi, and this is prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. We have to show that De Morgan's law A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement 1, and second one is A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement union B complement. So let me start our first A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. We take left hand side A union B whole complement. First of all, we have to find A union B. The value of A is empty set, union B is prime number 2, 3, 5, 7 up to infinity. When we take union, we have answer prime number 2, 3, 5, 7 up to infinity. Now we take complement A union B whole complement mean U minus A union B. U means natural number 1, 2, 3 up to infinity minus prime number 2, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. The answer is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15 and so on, or we may write it as n minus p. Natural number में से prime numbers निकाल दें, then we have n minus p. We name it equation number 1. Now we have to find right hand side, which is A complement intersection B complement. On next page we have to find A complement intersection B complement. For this purpose, first of all, we have to find A complement. A complement means U minus A. U means universal set 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Minus A means empty set. We have left 1, 2, 3 up to so on, or as a number set. B complement means U minus B. 1, 2, 3 up to so on minus prime number 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. And we have left with 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15 and so on, or n minus p. Now we have to take intersection A complement intersection B complement. A intersection means natural number sets 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and intersection B complement means 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 or so on, 12 and 14 so on, and this is natural number, this is intersection. When we take intersection, we get n minus p or these numbers 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15 and so on. This is equation number 2 from 1 and 2. We have left hand side equals to right hand side. That is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. In the same way, we have to find second A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement union B complement. This is your homework. Try it by yourself to solve this. Okay. Now we have next. Yes. What's the question? No, my dear, in this question we have no need to solve this question by Venn diagram. In question number 4 we have to solve with Venn diagram. Now I start that. Okay. Now we have to start question number 4. Question number 4 is if u equals to 1, 2, 3 up to 10, a is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, b equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, then prove the following question by Venn diagram. The first part is a minus b intersection b complement. Okay. U equals to 1, 2, 3 to 10, a is equal to odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, b is 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. We have to show that first part by Venn diagram a minus b is equal to a intersection b complement. A intersection b complement with the help of Venn diagram. With the help of Venn diagram. VENN Venn diagram. With the help of Venn diagram. VENN diagram to solve this. So first we calculate left hand side and then we draw Venn diagram. A minus b means 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 minus b is 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Three cancel with 3, 5 cancel with 5, and a minus b is 1, 7, 9. Now we have to find a intersection b complement. First of all, we have to calculate b complement, which is u minus b. Universal set is 1, 2, 3 up to 10 minus b is 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. And we cancel, we get the part. 2 cancel with 2, 3 cancel with 3, 4 cancel with 4, 5 cancel with 5, and 8 cancel with 8, and we have left with 1, 3, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Now we have to take A intersection B complement. A mean 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 intersection 1, 6, 7, 9, 10, and we have with 1, 7 and 9. These are common factors in both 1, 7 and 9. This is called 2. This is 1. Now from 1 and 2, this is clear. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Now with the help of Venn diagram, we have to solve this part. Okay. We have to solve with the help of shapes, and we have to draw two two rectangles, not square. First one and the second one. These are two rectangles. Okay. Now we have two rectangles of equal. Okay. These are two triangles. Now we need two circles. This is circles. We need two circles. One and the other one is. So I take help from compass. Okay. This is compass. With the help of compass, I have to draw circles. One and two. Similarly, we have to draw two circles. One and two. This is A. This is A. This is B. This is A. This is B. And we have to see here that 3 and 5s are common in both sets. These are overlapping sets. That's why I draw two circles overlapping here. 3 and 5 is common, so I write here common 3, 5. This is 3, 5. Set A consists of odd numbers, so I draw 1, 3. This is 5, 7, and 9. And set B consists of 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8 numbers. And the remaining numbers are the numbers of universal set. Universal set consists from 1 to 10, so 6 is missing and 10 is missing. So I write here 6 and 10. And in set A, I write 1, 7, 9, 3, 5, and 4. Set B, I write 2, 4, 8. Similarly here 2, 4, 8. And for universal set, I write 6 and 10. Now I shade the required answer. A minus B, which color you want to write here, and A intersection B complement equals to this. And if I draw with this color, so I mentioned here this color, I choose this and this. So if I see, the answer of A minus B is 179, and here 179 consists of this. Okay, I change the color, yellow color. So I shade it with yellow color, or which color you want to shade. जो आप अपनी मर्जी से कलर लेना चाहें वो आप ले सकते हैं. दिस इज योर आंसर. ए 1, 7 and 9. This is shaded. Okay. Now we have to color A intersection B. If we see the same result 179, so we shade here 179. 179. Yes, you have mic. Please open your mic or wait for a few minutes. Wait for a few minutes. I will answer you. 1 minute. Okay. This is a 179. Or I use different color. 1, 7 and 9. And we shade this color here. The result of A intersection B. From Venn diagram